We are at the Centric Hotel, room 406. So basically, literally smack dab in the middle of this floor. A little quick room tour, okay? So you walk in, you have a little desk with a mirror, trash can. They gave me 2 beds. I don't really know why, but it's whatever. I'm getting ready to check out. I've actually been here for about 5 days. So it's not too bad. I mean, it's kind of an older room per se. I've had some girls come over and they told me it's kind of creepy here because it's like totally empty. Like I've literally only seen maybe like one other person since I've been here. The TV, it's all static, all Thai channels, so I can understand it anyways. Like I'm gonna just put it on because I think it's funny. Been drinking some Leo, boys, you know? Got a little fridge here, a little mini fridge. You know, you can fit your waters, you know, some pizza that I had the other night. They actually give you free water every day. They give you 2 bottles of water free every day. A little hot pot. This is the view right here. Like I said, I'm literally in the middle. You know, this is the Rama 9 area. You can walk to the Central Mall. You can walk to Jobs Fair. It's about a 5-10 minute walk. As you see, this street is kind of local. And then you have like brand new condos getting built up everywhere all around it. The air conditioning, it's an older unit, but it blows cold. It really does. So I've had no problem with the air conditioning. The Wi-Fi's been all right. I'm watching my boys, Archangel, King Croc podcast with Swolby on there. I'm packing up. I got all my shit. The bed's all right. This is your normal, typical Thai bed. The bathroom, pretty typical bathroom here. You got a toilet, you got a shower, sink, mirror, wardrobe, lots of space. I never even used it. I mean, it has a hairdryer and a safe, but I didn't use that. I just keep all my shit on me, bro. I feel like it's safer on me than it is sitting in a fucking random safe somewhere. But it does have a balcony, so there's a little balcony. You come out here and smoke and shit. But yeah, I mean, can you find cheaper places? Probably. Can you find nicer places? Definitely. But I was paying around, I mean, pretty much 20 US a night. Some nights it was like $5. Some nights it was like a couple bucks cheap. But in general, it's about $20 a night. I paid like 17 one night, 18 the other night. It kind of just depends on the day. It might get more like $22 on a weekend or something like that. But it's a pretty big room. These are the prices that the front desk quoted me. They told me 750 baht a night, or if I wanted to stay the whole month, it's 17,000 baht a night, which includes, you know, electric, internet, and everything. But that is fucking expensive, bro. You can get apartments and condos around here for like 7,000 baht a month, 8,000 baht, no contract. So cool. So there you have it. There's a quick apartment view of the Centric Place Rama 9. It's right by the MRT station. Literally, we're 2 blocks over. Pretty good location. There's actually a 7-Eleven literally right next door. So if you ever, you know, need anything from 7-Eleven, literally you walk out the hotel and then you're right there by 7-Eleven. There's a massage shop across the street. I went and got a massage there. I think it was 200 baht. It was 200 baht for an hour foot massage from a ladyboy with strong hands. So I would recommend that as well. If you're going to be staying here, you walk out your door, get a massage, 200 baht. You're right by 7-Eleven. Then you walk down the street 5 minutes and you're at the MRT, you're at the Central Plaza, you're at Jobs Fair. So it's a pretty good location. Like I said, I've had no problem. All the lights are on pull strings though. Let me see. Pull here for the light. So cool. Awesome, guys. We'll make sure you hit that subscribe button. You guys know what to do. Like, I'm gonna be bringing more of these condo apartment tours to you on my trip through Thailand. It's Bangkok Bud. I'm signing out. Peace. Hey, it's Bangkok Bud, aka Bot Swayze. That was my review of the Centric Place Hotel. Now, you've seen the room, so let me do a little commentary about it. I got there about 7 a.m. because my flight landed super early. They wouldn't let me check in early. Even though it appeared that the hotel was totally empty, they told me that all the rooms were full. But like I said, my entire stay, I've seen like maybe 2 other people. So I don't know if that was just BS. I even offered to pay them extra to check in early. So I left my bags by the front desk. They didn't have anywhere like secure or like a back room or anything like that to put my bags. So I literally left my suitcase and my backpack, and I took all my valuables out, like my wallet, my passport, and all that stuff, and I kept that with me. And I went, basically exploring at 8 o'clock in the morning. They do have a restaurant there, but it's closed. They have a couple computers, it looks like, if you need to like use a computer for something. I didn't use them, so I don't know if they actually worked or not. They did have water and beer for sale downstairs by the lobby. The staff was, about as friendly, I guess, as they could be. They really didn't pay much attention to you other than, hi, bye, see ya. They had no problem with me bringing guests back to the room. So if I, met a girl at the mall and, brought her back to my room, they had no issues with that. They didn't try to charge any kind of guest fees. Honestly, they didn't even look at us when we walked by. Like I said, the location, it's okay. Like I said, you're walking distance to MRT, to the mall, to Jod's Fair, right by the 7-Eleven, right by the massage, which is a good price, 200 baht an hour, which is about 5 USD. Would I stay there again? Probably not. I don't know. I might. It's kind of expensive. For 20 bucks, you can definitely find nicer places. But for me, like I said, I booked it through Agoda, and it was like a last minute deal. I booked it solely on the location, but it actually turns out there's actually a hotel right beside the Centric Place, which I didn't stay there, but just from the outside, the looks of things, it looks nicer, and it was a little bit more busier. I seen a lot more people coming and going from there, and even the massage shop ladies told me that it was a nicer hotel. So there's my review, guys. I really hope that you appreciate these videos, because I know especially if you're traveling to foreign countries you maybe never been before, and you don't really kind of know what to expect as far as the accommodations go, please do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm currently living in Thailand, Bangkok, so I'm going to be bringing you tons of these videos. And it's not going to be like just every other travel YouTuber who shows you how great everything is and just a bunch of pictures of food. I'm going to keep it real with you and show you what it's really like solo traveling. I'm currently here in my new condo, which I'll be doing a tour of soon. So make sure you check that out as well. So let me know in the comments, would you stay at the Centric Place? Have you booked a room there? Don't get me wrong. I mean, I stayed there for, 4 or 5 nights. So I didn't have any problems with my stay. It's just me being around other hotels and
I've seen better for cheaper. And like I said, the early check-in really kind of irked me because I literally just came off a 20-hour flight from America, a 30-minute taxi ride, from the airport, going through immigration, all this fun stuff. And then I get to the hotel and they're like, oh no, we don't have early check-in. It's like, come on, really, bro? And it was like a random Tuesday night. So I know they weren't booked up, but they told me that they were. So, alright guys, it's your boy, Bangkok Bud, aka Bot Swayze. I'm signing out. Peace.